Welcome to our interior design series. Today, we'll show you how to transform this modern small L-shaped kitchen into a stylish and functional space using a variety of components. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's plan the layout. We want to optimize every inch of this space. We'll position the base cabinets along this wall, the wall cabinets above, and create an L-shaped kitchen island over here. The sink will be centered on the island, with the stove and oven on this side and the refrigerator on the opposite wall. Now that we have a plan, let's begin. The base cabinets provide ample storage for all your kitchen essentials, while the wall cabinets free up counter space and keep things organized. Next, we'll install the sleek countertops, providing plenty of room for meal prep and cooking. The Backsplash not only protects the walls but also adds a touch of elegance to the design. The kitchen island acts as the heart of this space. It offers additional storage and a perfect spot for family and friends to gather around while you cook. Now, we'll install the sink with a modern faucet for easy cleanup. The range hood will keep the air fresh and smoke-free while you cook up your favorite dishes. With the stove and oven conveniently located on the kitchen island, cooking becomes a breeze. The refrigerator and dishwasher are positioned nearby for quick access and effortless cleanup. Proper lighting is crucial in any kitchen. The overhead lighting brightens up the space, while under cabinet lighting illuminates your work areas. As for the flooring, we've chosen a durable and stylish option suitable for high-traffic areas. To keep your kitchen clutter-free, we've included practical accessories. Drawer organizers keep your utensils in order, spice racks add a touch of convenience, and a pull-out cutting board facilitates food prep. Don't forget the trash and recycling bins, conveniently tucked away. Last but not least, the built-in microwave is a space-saving gem. It complements the kitchen design and adds versatility to your cooking options. And there you have it. Our modern small L-shaped kitchen is now a stylish and functional space, perfect for all your culinary adventures. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you feel inspired to create your dream kitchen. Stay tuned for more exciting interior design tips and tricks.